make your slip knot, and chain 12. On the third chain from the hook, make 1 half double crochet and make your half double crochet until you reach the last chain. On our last chain, we're going to make 2 half double crochets. So we made our 1 half double crochet and we're going to make another one. And we're going to work on the other side, and when you reach the last chain, we're going to make 1 more half double crochet. So when we reach our last chain, make 1 more half double crochet. And we have here our first chain, and we're going to slip stitch. Next round, chain 1, and from where you slip stitch, you're going to make 1 half double crochet again. And we're just going to continue doing half double crochet. So just continue doing in rounds. We're not going to make any slip stitch. So now I am happy with the height of my coin purse, and I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. So I stopped on the side. And now we're going to make the flap. So we're not going to do any more in rounds, rather we're just going to make it in rows. So chain 1 and turn. And for this first row, we're going to make use of the front loop only. If you see these V stitches, we're going to make use of this this one, only the front loop. So now we reach our end, so we're not going to do on the front one, only at the back. So chain 1 again and turn, and you can make your chain depending on how big your button is. So now we are done with our coin purse keychain, and this is what I have made so far in a variety of colors as well.